Hi there, it's Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your calculator widget and install it on your site with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the Widgets menu. Find Calculator. Then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Start in the Build section by adding your input fields and setting up your calculations. You can create things like area, price per unit, or any formula you need. Next, go to Style to match the widget with your website pick fonts, background, and accent colors for fields and buttons. Then, open Settings to set your number format, language, calculator width, and apply custom CSS or JS if needed. Finish the setup. Hit Add to Website to move on. Next, sign up or log into your account. Click Publish, then choose the free plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. You can install the widget on your HTML site. In case you need a more detailed installation guide for any platform, you can also find them right here. Your widget can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your widget is up and running. Now, let's add the widget to your website. Open your website's admin panel. Find the section for adding custom code to the footer of your website. Alternatively, go to Settings or Code Injection, depending on your CMS. Paste the Elfsight installation code before the closing tag or into the provided footer code field. Save the changes. And that's it! Your calculator is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. Enjoyed the video? Support Elfsight. Like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.